let us start solving the problem number 27 here. Right. So there are around 5 questions are there. It is a fill in the blanks. Right. Let us check out this. There are only dash symbols in Roman numbers, and they are. That is what we are supposed to write. Right. Let us check out this. How many symbols are there? The number of symbols is, let us check out this. So I'll write here. So first one is I, correct? I, that means 1, right? Then 5, that is V is equal to 5, then X is equal to 10, correct? X is equal to 10, then L is equal to 50, right? C is equal to 100, right? Then D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. So these are all the symbols. Right. Now how many symbols are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are around 7 symbols, and they are this. The predecessor of the smallest 8-digit number is. So the smallest 8-digit number is, let us check out that. Smallest 8-digit number will be how much? That is, see, to go with this. So let us check out this. This is 1 0 0, right? 0 4 5 6 7 8. This is what the case is, right? That is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, right? 10,000, a lakh, a 10 lakh, a 1 crore, right? The predecessor of the smallest. This is the smallest 8-digit number. So predecessor will be what? So 7 nines. This is the answer for that. Now they have given here for this 4 by 7 x is equal to 84. Now we need to find the value of x. So that's what x is equal to 84 into 7, that divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2s are 4 ones are 21, 7s are 7 ones are 7, right? 7 2s are 14. That is 147 is the answer. Now length of the rectangle is equal to dash by breadth. We know that. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, but they have given length. So length is equal to area by breadth. The answer here is area. Now dash is the smallest prime number. So dash is the smallest prime number is what? 1 is not a prime number, so 2. So answer is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number, and this is the only even prime number, right? So this is the answer.